Yo, YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and we are coming right back at you with yet another sneaker unboxing. You can see I've got this big old box. There's something else in there. This big old box here. You know exactly what this is because you've read the title. So I think we're going to speed up, probably SJ, about now. So it's a purple box, everyone. So you know what this is already. And I'm not sure. So let us go here, because this isn't the shoe I was expecting, everyone. So we've got everyone, we've very much got here a Nike SB Dunk High Pro Premium. It is black, pink, rise, lucky green, noir. In French, that is noir rosé du matin. Why red of the morning or rosé of the morning? I don't get it. But they're a UK 11. That makes them a US 12, everyone. And that makes them a women's US 13.5. The code is CU7341001. And SJ, if we come back to the middle camera, these are, because SJ thinks these are coming on Monday, they are the Nike SB Dunk High Pro Invert black, pink, rise. Now we thought that these were somewhere else, so this is not the boxing you were expecting. These are not the shoes you are looking for. So SJ is very confused by these shoes, like more confused than you would realize. But actually, they are super nice in hand. And I'm gonna rustle. So it's the Invert Celtics, everyone. Boom. I'm first going to go over on this camera, SJ. So we can see that. Apparently I've got to go back a bit, but hopefully you can already see, like I've seen great pictures of these online, and it was the suede that I was really intrigued by. Now, the other thing that I hadn't appreciated, so I'm just going to spin this while I talk about this. So the quality of the leather is standard SB leather on the Celtic side. Now, I had never seen a pair of these together. Boom. I don't know if that's in shot. No, it's not. So I'm going to do that. I didn't realize that it was on both shoes. So the Celtic colors are on both shoes. Now, let's just flip the sole so you can see as well. So you've got, coming in there, SJ, you've got the pink and the green. Pink and the green. Anyway, let's go back to the middle because my arm's aching. Definitely aching there. So I'm going to just show you, first of all, right, these are a Dunk High. The alternate lace is a green lace there. You got that. And it was the quality of them that I was really intrigued by, because everyone was like, I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about this weird pink and black. But actually, I've seen some great pictures online, and these come up really, really well. The suede's proper tough. I thought it was going to be shaggier. I'm going to be honest. I thought it was going to be shaggier, but it's proper tough. Right, let's have a look in here. Let's bring it in. Now, this is the darker camera, so you never can quite tell. Although SJ's giving me the thumbs up there. Now, that's the profile. Right, actually, let's give you the other shoe, because that was what I wanted to look at. I wanted to look at the heel. Like, what does it look like on the heel? That is the thing. Because obviously, this is just such a crazy concept. You can only see the green and the white on the majority of the shoe if you invert your phone. As in, invert the colors on your phone. Now, I'm told that that's not quite as straightforward on an Android phone as it is on an iPhone. But what I really wanted to look at was, I wanted to look at that as a profile on the back. Oh, let's go there. Now, what do you lot think? Because I actually like that sort of checkerboard Harlequin feel to it. I think it's really, I actually wish they'd done more panels like that in some way. Wouldn't it be amazing, right? If we flip this around here. So you see that. You see this. Oh, sorry, I'm getting directions there. See this element here. Now, wouldn't it have been amazing if somehow they've been able to stitch down here. Sorry, I'm getting weird. The center thing here is odd. I can't quite ever see. If they could have stitched down the front and then just taken this quarter and made that the Celtic colours as well. Now, I seem to recall that there was a Jordan wand from 2018, I think, that sort of did that, and I think that would have really worked. That would really look kind of interesting. But like, let's just spin it round again. It's really, really nice. Now, you know, there's not a lot to really talk to the detail of the shoe. It is part of a much bigger pack, and the other inverts. SJ, let's go over this camera. The other shoes in the pack. Oh, wrong one. There we go. Oh my word! How good does that look? Okay. Just have a look. It's really nice. It looks really, really good under these lights. It's got to be the first time we've had lights that actually where the shoe looks amazing. Right, I'm going to come in right close, SJ. I'm going to see if I can zoom in, and you're going to see the quality of the suede there. Now, hopefully you lot, everyone, you can see that. Now we're going to go to the middle camera, SJ, because we've done most of it. Now, I just want to, like, if you're new around here and you're not sure what Pint of Stuff is, it's like, Pint of Stuff, that sounds like it's a beer pub, or a beer pub. That sounds like a beer pub. No, it's not a beer pub. Because trying to do these things live, a beer pub. It sounds like it's a channel about pints or something, or random beers. It's not. It's a channel where we focus mainly on unboxing sneakers, and to be honest, for the last 4 years we've been mainly unboxing SBs, and a lot of Dunks, a fair few Blazers, and the random other shoes. But also, as well as the unboxing, we also do the cinematic on foot things occasionally. But the thing I think that steps us apart from most people is that we stream every Sunday night, Sneaker Streaming Sundays, where we talk sneakers. We show you what we've had on your foot that week. We show you what we've bought. We have a look at Instagram. Hopefully people vote on the stuff that I go through the news. And yeah, and occasionally we bring some people on board. But that's that. So don't forget to subscribe. It's somewhere down there. What do you think? I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm actually having a proper look at this leather now. Let's see if we can just loosen that off. Right, I'm going to bring the camera in close to you. The camera. I'm going to bring... The brain is going really funny today. Like, have a look. I'm going to bring the shoe in. You can't really see the grain of the leather, SJ. Let's try that camera. Right, can we see... Come on, focus, SJ. Get sharp. Now, can you see the grain of the leather there? I think you can. If we go like that... and you just have a look in the darker parts of the picture. Oh, SJ's holding it for me now. This is amazing. This is so good. I can literally step back, and I've got this like amazing helper, director, producer, on-person person, social media person. Wow. Okay. There you go. I don't need to do this. Just look at that. And we've obviously got the standard SB laces there. Lovely set of pink laces. I don't think that I'm going to swap to the green. I don't. But yeah. Oh, look at those fingers. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's a Dunk High Pro. And we have got the lovely laces there. Bit bright there, SJ. Bit bright. Bit close to the lights. Anyway, I'll take it back off your hands. Let's go back to the middle. Boom. Yes. Oh my word. It's been one of those days, everyone. I've been going a bit manic down in my basement. This is the basement. I've been going a bit manic, and so I'm a little bit energetic today. Normally these are quite chill videos, but today I'm a bit energetic. Anyway, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and of course there's gonna be one here, so go and watch that. Go and watch that. And if you haven't left us a comment, do that as well. Join us on Sundays and go and have a look at one of those videos over there, because they are a bit special. They're not. They're just videos from Pint of Stuff. But it does help us in the algorithm, so do it. Do it now. Now, I wonder if I can invert this. I wonder if there's an invert filter I can drop into Final Cut Pro and you can all see this in its majesty. Well, I'm going to see if I can do it. It's live.